Yes, see that. What is this? What is this?
Good afternoon, sir.
What is this?
Prism.
Yes, dear children,
Prism.
it is a three transparent surface called prism. Here, this is called angle of prism. It is an equilateral triangle. With the help of this prism, when sunlight comes and falling on this one face of the prism, we can see the 7 different colors in other side of the prism in the spectrum called Vibgyor. That is called dispersion of light. That is called dispersion of light. So today we are going to start our another part of this chapter. Likho dispersion of light. Dispersion of light through and glass prism. Dispersion of light through and glass prism we are going to start here. Okay, see that dispersion of light by a glass prism. By a glass prism. Here we are going to see glass prism. Dear children, see that this is the prism here. On the front face of prism here, it is glass prism. A white light from sun or any other source through a narrow hole on a cardboard. Here is a cardboard and white light is coming. White light is coming through and a narrow hole. A narrow hole is on cardboard sheet with a pinhole. You can write here. Sheet with a pinhole. Then what I observe here? We observe here 7 different colors like this on a screen. Here 4, 5, 6 and 7. Here is the screen. See that? So we are getting 7 different colors on a white screen from violet to red. Write down, my dear children, draw this figure. First, here it is the red color. The angle of deviation of red color we can find out from here in this manner. Here. Similarly, we can find out for violet color. So draw the figure. The color sequence obtained as an Vibgyor. Vibgyor. Draw this figure. It's a very important article. Remember it. So Vibgyor is there. Violet. Write down the sequence of this color. You know very well. Violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. These are the 7 different colors we are getting here. Then write down the definition, my dear children, here. बना लीजिए figure or write down the definition. The phenomenon of splitting of light. लिखो. The phenomenon of splitting of white light. Though it is coming here. The phenomenon of splitting of white light into its constituent 7 colors. Onto its constituent 7 colors. We can see here. On passing through a glass prism. On passing through and glass prism is called dispersion of light. White light is coming, we are getting 7 colors. This is called dispersion of light. क्या कहलाता बच्चों बोलो?
Dispersion of light.
Dispersion of light.
So it is the dispersion of white light. What do you mean by composition of white light? Here, my dear children, dispersion of light is a mixture of 7 colors. Dear children, you remember that red color has a wavelength 7900 angstrom. 1 angstrom is equal to होता है बच्चों 10 raised to the power minus 10 meter. This is the wavelength. Wavelength को लिखते हैं lambda से. Wavelength is written by a symbol. This symbol is called lambda. Here, it is in a Greek letter. The wavelength of red light is 7900 angstrom, and wavelength of violet color 4000 angstrom. Is 4000 angstrom. Okay. Now, my dear children, this is the wavelength of violet color. This is violet color here. Now, dear children, see that speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to the power 8. 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second. Wavelength you know, so you can find out here. The frequency nu of the light can be calculated with our formula nu is equal to C by lambda. Nu here is frequency. In nu, this symbol is called nu. This is called frequency. And the unit of the frequency is hertz. Units of the wavelength is meter. Now, so dear children, we can say here the light consisting of one color or a single wavelength, एक ही कलर की है और single wavelength की है, that is called monochromatic light. Monochromatic light is that light which have only single color or one wavelength only. That is called monochromatic light. And for example, sodium lamp. Sodium lamp is a special device that gives monochromatic light, बच्चों. That will give us a monochromatic light. Then light of yellow color, the monochromatic light of yellow color, that will be given by sodium lamp. Sodium lamp provides monochromatic light of yellow color. Remember. However, light given by a mercury lamp is monochromatic light. That is called monochromatic light. It consists of many colors. Or many wavelengths. So with the light which we are getting from sunlight are of different colors or different wavelengths. That is called, we can say here, the light coming from the sun is polychromatic. The light coming from the sun is polychromatic. Okay? लिख लो. Now, this spectrum which we are getting here, which we can see easily with our eyes, that is called visible spectrum. Here, an spectrum which we are getting, and visible spectrum, see that when a beam of white light it passes through a prism, it splits up into a band of 7 colors. White light when passed through a prism, the band of 7 colors obtained. लिखो, the band of 7 colors obtained here on a screen passing white light through a prism. लिख लीजिए, see the figure. The band of 7 colors obtained on a screen. ये band of 7 colors obtained on a screen on passing through white light. This is, here it is a white light. On passing through the white light through a prism is called spectrum. Is called spectrum. Here it is called spectrum. As all the colors in this spectrum are visible, that we can see. That's why it is called visible spectrum. That's why it is called visible spectrum. Every color of visible spectrum here has its own wavelength. हर कलर की अपनी अलग अलग वेवलेंथ होती है. जैसे रेड कलर की मैंने आपको अभी बताई, वॉयलेट कलर की वेवलेंथ आपको बताई. So all the colors have their own frequency. All colors, they have their own frequencies because wavelength is different for the different colors. Okay? So we can say the sequence of the color in this visible spectrum is along Vibgyor. It is something like Vibgyor that we have written earlier. This is the sequence of color here. So this is the color which we can see the different color with our naked eye. Such type of spectrum is called also pure spectrum. उसको हम क्या कहेंगे बच्चों? Pure spectrum also we may say. Then what is the cause of spectrum? What is the cause of dispersion? क्यों होता सर ये? What is the cause of dispersion? होता क्यों है? अभी अभी बताया मैंने. क्योंकि सबकी वेवलेंथ अलग अलग है, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी अलग अलग होगी. सब कलर्स की वेवलेंथ अलग अलग है. तो I can say, my dear children, कि when a beam of white light, beam मतलब एक single line, when a beam of white light is passing through a glass prism, it splits up into 7 colors. When a white light is passed through and prism, it splits up into the 7 colors. All colors have their individual colors. That is called dispersion of light. क्या कहलाता है बच्चों ये? Dispersion of light. Dispersion of light. So different colors of light are having different wavelength. देखो, different colors of light are having different wavelength. Lambda. लिखो, different colors of light are having different wavelength or different frequency nu. हर कलर की अपनी अपनी वेवलेंथ अलग है, फ्रीक्वेंसी अलग अलग है. When they travel in air or vacuum with the same speed, but their speed in any other medium like that of glass, water are different. So violet color has a minimum speed. Violet color has a minimum speed. And red color has a maximum speed. हर कलर की अलग अलग स्पीड होती है. Write down here. Violet color has the minimum speed and red color has the maximum speed. Because I know the formula of refractive index, n is equal to c by v. N is the refractive index. Because refractive index are different. So speed is different for the different colors. लिखो, speed is different for the different colors. Speed is different for the different colors. Therefore, n is different for the different colors. Speed अलग-अलग है, तो refractive index भी अलग-अलग है. Speed is different for the different colors, so refractive index is also different for the different colors. Speed of the violet light, आपको बताया मैंने, speed of the violet is less than that of speed of the red. ये v speed है बच्चों, ध्यान रखना. Speed of the violet color is minimum. जब स्पीड हमारे पास अलग अलग है तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स होगा वॉयलेट का n of violet is greater than to that of n of red. ये अलग तो ये अलग, स्पीड अलग हो गई तो रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स अलग हो गया, और जब रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स अलग हो गया इज डिफरेंट, तो दिस इज द कॉज ऑफ डिस्पर्शन. तो लिखो, व्हाट इज द कॉज ऑफ डिस्पर्शन. 2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन है ये एग्जाम का. राइट डाउन, द कॉज ऑफ डिस्पर्शन इज डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ व्हाइट लाइट. व्हाट इज द कॉज ऑफ डिस्पर्शन, लिखिए, डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ व्हाइट लाइट हैविंग डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ. डिफरेंट कलर्स ऑफ व्हाइट लाइट हैविंग डिफरेंट वेवलेंथ lambda. Different colors of white light having a different colors of wavelength deviate through different angles. Deviates through and different angles. Deviates through and different angles on passing through a glass prism. ये देखो यहां पर मैंने कहा ये रेड कलर के लिए ये एंगल आ रहा है, जबकि ये जो वॉयलेट कलर है इसके लिए ये एंगल आएगा. इसका एंगल अलग है, इसका एंगल अलग है. दिस इज द कॉज ऑफ डिस्पर्शन. दिस इज द कॉज ऑफ डिस्पर्शन. So we can say it deviates through and different angles. That is why the split on coming out from the prism. That's why the light splits into a different colors, or we are getting a spectrum. This is the actual cause of dispersion. Is that clear? समझ में आ गया बच्चों? बोलो, is it any problem?
No, sir.
चलिए. Now,
Yes, sir.
the next one is लिखिए recombination of. Write down recombination of spectrum colors. Recombination of spectrum colors. Recombination of spectrum colors. What is that? Recombination of spectrum colors. This was observed first by Newton. A Newtonian scientist named who observed this phenomenon first. What is this? Newton was first to obtain the visible spectrum of sunlight on passing through a glass prism. Here this is a glass prism. Say a prism is A, B and C. A white light is coming through a narrow hole. It splits up into 7 colors. Say it is the red and violet color. Then this spectrum falls on another prism. See here. In this manner. An inverted prism is there here. This spectrum falls on another prism. Newton then passed through a light with another identical glass prism A dash, B dash, C dash. ये जो लाइट एक प्रिज्म से आई, that will pass through another inverted identical prism A dash, B dash, C dash. It is alongside the first prism but in opposite direction. Both the prisms are having in opposite direction. Then what he observed? He found that a beam of white light entering from the other face of A dash, B dash and C dash, we are getting here in this manner. Here is a red color, here is a violet color. See that? When here is the red color and violet color again mix up, or we are getting and again a single light, that is called white light on the screen. This is our screen. This is called recombination of spectrum colors. एक इन्वर्टेड प्रिज्म आगे रख दिया तो वापस ये लाइट जो है 7 कलर्स थे अगेन दे आर रिकम्बाइंड और वी आर गेटिंग हियर. This is called recombination of 7 colors. Here we can say recombination occurs. Recombination. Okay. So again we are getting here white light on this screen. Draw the figure. Draw this figure here. So what are the observations we are having here? The observation gave Newton that the sunlight is made up of 7 colors, and again if you are recombined, then you take an inverted glass prism alongside it, you will get a single color again. Okay? Bolo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's also very important article. 2 नंबर का क्वेश्चन कई बार आया कि ये फिगर बनाना होता है आप लोगों को. This was observed by Newton. So today, this is all about our today's module. Next turn, we have to see rainbow. What is this? Rainbow, it is an example of dispersion of sunlight. ये हम पढ़ेंगे अभी थोड़ा सा बता रहा हूं मैं क्यों. रेनबो लिख लो, is an example of dispersion of sunlight. It is an example of dispersion of sunlight. Rainbow occurs in the form of concentric colors in a circular sky. We can say like this, ऐसे, ये, ऐसे, ये. In this manner, this is the form of rainbow. When the sun shines on the raindrop, you are getting such type of figure. Okay, on next turn we will see the figure and what are the essential conditions to find out rainbow. Okay, is it any problem? Then ask. Yes, कोई problem बच्चों?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay, bye.